Okay.
No, for real. Since we don't have like, you know, this elaborate setup, we have to... You I need to cut my toenails.
You got some fucking talons. Damn, son. Woo! Freaking took 3 layers off my skin.
Oh shit.
Does each bag serve a purpose?
I can't read Korean. Today we're gonna try these masks that I think these came out like forever ago, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
They came out forever ago, so we're for sure late to the...
Who cares?
If you wanna win, look, we'll just do this. We'll give you a set from each member. So it'll be 1 Tata, 1 Chimi. Wait, I can't get it. Like this. And 1 Cookie. We only have these 3. Oh my god, I'm so itchy. So what we'll do is we'll pick 3 winners.
Okay.
And just comment down below who your favorite BTS member is. Make sure.
And if I don't agree with you,
then you ain't winning. No, I'm just kidding. Make sure you... Okay, so this is how you could win. It's going to be international wherever you are. I'll just ship the masks out to you. So you'll get 3 sets. It'll be 3 winners. You just make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you put the notification bell on. Make sure you give this video a little thumbs up so other people that are interested in this face mask or interested in subpar content can come and find my video, and just comment down below who your favorite BTS member is. Okay, let's do it. So I'm gonna do Tata.
Okay.
I like low-key want to do like a mix, but I mean maybe I'll...
No, there's like a lot. That's not gonna even fit on my face.
Oh. Okay. ASMR.
Oh, that thing's... Wait, it went... Oh my god, this is so cute.
Is that liquid inside? That's like pouch. Be careful you don't face it down because I think there's like a bunch of liquid inside.
Okay.
Oh my god, look at what comes in there. So it's not like your typical face mask. It's just specific parts.
Oh, she smells good.
Oh, it's
so
not
like,
a strong scent.
Do I put anything?
Yeah.
Okay, this one because I should be at the gym.
The same. Oh my god, can we talk about how V looked so beautiful and so happy with his friends in his post the other day?
Man, I wish I was there. I wish I was the water he was in. I'm gonna try to fit all of these in my face. I doubt it.
Me too. These are so cute. They're really cute.
This makes me uncomfortable. I start laughing like this.
Bro,
I'm gonna get a cookie tattoo.
Nala came back to ruin our lives. Oh, what?
A cookie tattoo.
La Cuca. Cookie's hair? Stop, man. Do you think he's gonna come back with long hair?
If he does, I'm dying.
I wonder if he's gonna cut it before his return / comeback. I mean, I think for sure for the comeback he's gonna change it. They never, you know, really have the same hair. This is so cute. You look like an idiot though. Well, yeah, we're waiting on this hurricane that literally moves slower than...
she is slow as
YG getting his group stuff comeback.
Yeah, yeah. At this rate, we'll get a faster YG comeback.
At this rate, we'll get EXO in North America.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. You know I'm sensitive.
Dude, I need BTS front row at some point in my life.
Hell yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, oh shit. Ooh, like that experience for sure has to be crazy. Especially, I've never done a stadium show ever.
God, they suck.
But I feel like probably stadium shows are good for them. You know what I mean? Because
maybe
again, the ones you've been to weren't K-pop, so like.
I don't know. Why don't you know, bitch?
I like filled it up. But look, I have like space around here.
Can you look at me?
Cocky. I meant Kasi. Has Cookie been your only bias in BTS ever?
No, Jimin was my first BTS bias.
Jimin, I feel like, was the first member that like I paid attention to, or like not I paid attention to, but like I caught my eye when you first showed me BTS. Do you still remember the first BTS video you showed me? Or no?
Was it dope?
I think it was dope. I remember when I first got into K-pop.
I eased everyone in with dope.
Dope is the one that really like you're like, you know, this might I might have have a little bit of time. What hairstyle would you love Namjoon to do?
I love that man with silver hair.
Bitch, yes. No, do you okay, my favorite Namjoon look for real is when he had pink hair and he was wearing the yellow tinted glasses.
Maybe.
And his hair looks like kind of fake wet. Hold on, let me put that.
Oh!
That's my favorite. And he has like a black leather jacket. And he has like a polka dot shirt. Hold up.
Bitch.
It's... Oh!
That's a look.
That's a look.
Look, honey. That's a look.
He looked so good.
That's my president right there. Bitch.
The way... I'm like, I was gonna tap this, bro. The way this man is serving... This was like, what, Run Era? Or something? It looks like Run Era.
Yeah, it was.
He has green
highlights.
That was really good. I remember when we saw Mama. It was Mama where they performed Run. I remember I was like, what the hell? This is the coolest shit ever. And Cookie's thighs. I remember I saw Cookie's thighs in that performance and I was like, this man is like sculpted. And like, look at him now. Like now it's like ridiculous.
He's reached his final form. What a fucking bitch.
No, I don't think he has.
No, the thing is, if he comes back with the ponytail, how he's been threatening us with...
Jungkook has not reached his final form, man.
Fucking
like,
kill
I'm
me.
telling you. I'm telling
Literally
you.
just...
You think he's gonna... You think he's gonna come back with a pony?
I hope to God he doesn't, because then my K-pop career is ruined.
If he comes back with a pony or hair long enough to do a pony, like even a bare minimum
that shit worse than the hurricane.
Yeah, the thing is he's gonna shut.
He gonna come out category 5 Gookie.
Guys, no, the thing is they're gonna shut Twitter down because it's gonna be in shambles. Like he would look so good. That long hair wave that I feel like everyone's entering.
I love.
You know who would look good with long hair too? V. The thing is, V. Okay.
We were almost there. We were almost there.
We were close.
But
the thing is, every hairstyle that V has ever done, he looks good and he doesn't look bad in any hair. Take them off. I feel like we've had them on for like a while.
Yeah, I'm gonna be drier and crustier than I already am.
So
look at me, I'm glowing. It's that BTS glow.
Your skin glows like this when you stan BTS.
Hell yeah, bitch. Hell yeah. Okay, zoom out. I look like shit.
Stan BTS. You know how when people are like, stan BTS for glowing skin and watered crops.
What the fuck? Okay, first of all, I heard the glowing skin, but the watered crops, I think you said watered Crocs, and I'm like...
No, watered crops.
Watered Crocs.
I saw that and I was like, dude, man, fucking K-pop fans are hilarious.
Hell yeah.
That literally said that. It was like, for this and that and watered crops.
So
like, okay.
cute. Like, I love how each of their little people kind of like resemble it.
They do. Did they draw them?
Yeah, they did. Obviously, they drawed them. They
like
drew
a rough
them,
sketch?
and then like obviously someone perfected it. I think.
You think?
Yeah, I think
I feel
so.
like they draw pretty good.
No, they do, but obviously someone perfected them.
That's so cute. I love how they let them create something and then it kind of came.
That's so fun. I wish I could do that.
And
by do that, I mean sit with BTS and be like, all right,
right.
Just that's it. That was the meeting. All right.
The thing is, that's how it really would be. I feel like I would just shit my pants.
Yeah.
I love that. I love when I see people. Okay, so lately, every day for the past, I mean, probably forever. It's just that now I notice it. But I've been noticing that every day, anything that is trending on Twitter, it's filled with K-pop fans.
Yeah.
Literally anything.
Yeah.
Booga?
No, it's like a little bit of like the
residue of
the
that?
residue.
It would be like legit anything. Like it would be potato sticks.
And if those potato sticks would have streamed Serendipity, well, maybe they would
be so stale.
Exactly. And it's like,
yeah, I love that shit. Like, I just go through and I just start laughing because for some reason, I love, like, K-pop fans have a specific sort of humor that they just troll. So, like, if someone says, like, oh, K-pop fans are lame or they're like, BTS is whack, someone was like, they'll be like, you're right. Or they'll be like, you're right, love. I love when they say that.
Right, love.
L-E-D.
Kooky fan cam.
Kooky fan cam.
I like Twitter. Twitter's a good time.
No, sometimes it's fucking weird.
Sometimes it's a fucking battlefield out there. I'm like,
no,
I'm literally running through my timeline.
Yeah,
like, oh.
Like, you're literally dodging shit.
Yeah.
And the thing is, you can't state your opinion on anything because people will come for your neck, and it's like all I said was watermelon sucks, which you do say that.
I really like the makeup styles that the stylists are doing on girl groups now, that they got like the little stones down here.
I feel, yeah, that's trendy. I need to see. Sunmi supposedly has really cute makeup on her video, like really cool.
Probably, she always does.
I'm trying to see that.
Stream Euphoria.
Stream Euphoria for good health, glowing skin, and watered Crocs.
Watered Crocs.
But I don't have no Crocs. My Crocs, you know that thing that you sent in the group chat, or somebody, that a size 9 turned into like little shoes like that?
Yeah.
The Crocs? That happened to my Crocs. I left them in my trunk for months, I guess.
Yeah.
It must be months. Because when I got them, they were this big. They were this big, I swear to God. And I wear a size 9. They were this big. And they were like rubbery little, like you can tell that the shoe condensed. And I was like,
that's hilarious. That I've never had that happen to me, but that would be great if it did.
Yeah, it's funny, but it's like, damn, I like these shoes.
Yeah, Crocs, when I was in high school, Crocs were the shit. Anybody that was like, oh, you got Crocs on? Yes, bitch, I do.
Wait, no? You were wearing Crocs in high school?
Yeah. Yeah, I had matching Crocs with Priscilla's sister.
You were
green ones.
You like, what, a senior or something?
I was a junior and a senior.
Oh, maybe that's why, because I don't remember no one wearing Crocs.
No. It was after your time.
When I was in school.
I remember.
That's how I feel right
Yeah.
now.
That's how I feel too. I'm like, when I was your age. We're about to get another update on the hurricane.
Why? At what time? 11?
It's at 11. As long as it's in like that place, we get it every 6 hours. Hurricane Dorian is stronger with 140 miles per hour max winds. Forecast to get even stronger tomorrow. Cone has also shifted a bit. It's going...
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Okay, this is the cone, everyone. Look at the cone, right?
Oh, I want an ice cream cone.
So there's the news with me. Back to you, Captain.
Well, I'm still thinking about Jungkook's hair. I'm like, fam, ever since that performance at Lottie World, I'm obsessed with those fan cams. They're really good, really good. It has to be one of my top favorite, like, fan cam situations. It's really good. He looks really, really, really nice.
Would you do BTS's makeup?
I would absolutely do it, but I'd be really nervous at the beginning.
I would literally...
Until, like, I become comfortable with them, I would be really nervous. If you guys, for some reason in the world, have no idea who this is my sister, okay? I'll put all her stuff down below. Make sure you're subscribed, you got notifs on, you like this video, and comment down below your favorite BTS member. And that's a trick question because all of the members should be your favorite members. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so... Solo stands need not apply. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Is there a bug in the light? I feel like I saw it move. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, bye.
Bye.